Okay, Ken, I really hope this helps here. I got it going on my XP machine, but now I'm on my Windows 7 machine that it will not work on, but I've got this recording device called Camtasia that I'm able to record myself. So here's DOSBox.com, and you'll go to Downloads, and we're going to click on Windows. And what you're downloading is a DOS-based emulator, quite safe to use. Here you'll see DOSBox emulator. I'm going to left click on that and download the program. Now, I believe I already have it on my computer here, so it's probably overkill here, but at least this will show you how to get it going. So give it a minute there. And then here I can run, so I'm going to run it. And set it up, next, install. And now it's installed. Now if I go to my desktop, I'll see DOSBox somewhere in there. And actually you're not seeing it here, so let me move it up to the top here. So there you see DOSBox. Now I'm double clicking on that. And actually before I do that, I'm going to, you can't see the lower left hand corner of my screen, but I'm going to right click on the Windows Start. In a second here, I'm actually bouncing between computers here. You're going to, right click on Start and then do Explore. So Windows 7 is a little different. Give me a minute here. And then once you're in Explore, you'll basically go to your C drive. And now I'm going to click on New Folder. Within Windows XP, let me just look at my computer. You need to go to File, and then New, and then Folder. But basically, I'm going to create a folder here called DOS Games. So let's just call that DOS Games. And now I'm going back to DOSBox. And within there, and I'm sending you a Word document with how to do this. In fact, I've got a cheat here, so let me just go to my Microsoft Word. That's not it. Here it is. You're going to do Mount space C colon, or C space D colon backslash. So let me go ahead and do that. So Mount C space D colon backslash, enter. I obviously did that wrong. Give me a minute here. I worked on my other computer. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Oh, you know what the problem is? I've got a C and a D drive on here, so I need to pick an E drive. So I'm going to do Mount E, or Mount C space E. Now you probably only have a C drive. And then, okay, here I go. Then there's my mount. Let me go back to my directions. And now I'm going to go C colon. And now we're going to do it the reverse. And I'm going to do mount. I'm sorry, back to the Z drive. So I'll go to Z. I'll do Mount E space C colon backslash. And that error message is normal. Now I'm going to go to that C drive and then do a dir. See, basically what we've done here is that, one second here. Make sure I'm recording here. Okay, good. Basically now the C drive is now like a DOS drive, and your E drive will be the old C drive, and this is just temporary. So in here I'm going to type in install. I guess I did that already. Install.exe, and I hope this works on my Windows 7 machine. I'm not so sure it will, but so far we're good. This is exactly what it did for me on my Windows XP machine. Install game. And then this install directory, the MPS, this did not work. Actually, I think I need to pick E here. Let me try that. Okay, there it worked. So again, the E drive is really the C drive, but if for the purpose of DOSBox, pretending the E drive is the C drive. And this is where it's stuck for a few seconds on my other machine. And then install was successful, doing okay. And then here I just did no sound, okay. And then I did no sound, okay. And then exit program. And then here you go. To play now, type magic. So if I were to exit the DOS and type magic, it works fine. Or it says to play later. That just means that, you know, if you want to play it in the future, you're going to need to go to DOSBox and then type in E:, which basically gets you to your E drive. And then, you know, the CD. CD is change directory space, and then the /mps/magic is where you save that file, and then you'll type in magic. So I hope that works. Again, I don't think this works on my Windows 7 machine. In fact, if I do an exit to DOS, and I type in magic, yeah, and again, I didn't think it would work here. But anyway, I hope that helps, and if not, I'm not sure what else I can recommend. You know, that worked fine for me, but let me stop my video, and that's it. Bye.